Hey, did you hear about the Google layoffs? They let go of a bunch of their engineers working with Flutter and Python.
Oh, really? That's so not code-like behavior. I guess even tech giants have their moments of dysfunctionality.
You could say they've Pythoned themselves in the foot with this one. But seriously, it's a tough break for those engineers.
I bet they're feeling like a fizzbuzz right now, all fizzed out of their jobs. But hey, maybe they'll find new opportunities in other companies that could use their Flutter by expertise.
True that. You know what they say, when one debugger closes, another IDE opens. These engineers are a list of talent. Hopefully, they'll be imported into new roles soon.
Ha, you're on a roll with these puns. But you're right, these engineers will break free from this setback and continue to do great things. After all, they're not ones to throw in the towel.
Well, here's hoping they'll print out some new job offers soon. And remember, it's not the end of their function dash, they'll just return stronger than ever.
Ha, agreed. Now let's exit this conversation before your puns give me a syntax error.